welcome back to another video. This is Sweezel Fernandez, and in this video I will be sharing with y'all how you can choose your own foundation based on different factors. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the very first thing you need to do is identify your skin type. Now most of the people do not know which skin type they belong to. So to know your skin type, what you can do is take a tissue paper and place it on your face for 5 seconds after you wake up in the morning without even washing your face, and then just observe the tissue paper. So as you can see, I have no oil on my tissue paper. That means I am a dry skin type. Now if your tissue paper has oil all over the surface, then you are an oily skin type. If your tissue paper has oil only in the T-zone area, that is your forehead and your nose, then you are a combination skin type. Now combination skin type is basically a combination of dry skin type as well as oily skin type. So dry skin type should go for mostly serum based or hydrating foundations, and combination skin and oily skin types are somewhat similar, so they should go for powder foundations or matte foundations. So the next step is to identify your undertone. So there are three basic undertones. The first one is the pink or cool undertone, the second one is the warm or yellow undertone, and the third one is the neutral undertone. So there are two ways how you can identify your undertone. The first one is to have a look at your veins. If your veins are purple in color, then you are a pink or cool undertone. So if your veins are green in color, then you are a yellow or warm undertone. And if you have both the colored veins, then you are a neutral undertone. Another way you can identify your undertone is by testing jewelry on your face. You can take gold jewelry and silver jewelry. If the gold jewelry matches your complexion, then you are a warm or yellow undertone. If the silver jewelry matches your complexion, then you are a cool or pink undertone. If both the jewelries match your complexion, then you are a neutral undertone. So in my case, silver jewelry does not complement my skin tone, but gold jewelry complements my skin tone. And I also have green veins and I do not have purple veins. That is why I am a warm or yellow undertone. Now if you are a cool or pink undertone, I suggest you to look for shades like pure beige, natural buff, buff beige. And if you are a warm or yellow undertone, look for shades like golden caramel, warm nude. And if you are a neutral undertone, then look for shades like medium tan, neutral beige. Okay, so most online sites provide this shade range, and you can easily see from this where your shade belongs to, where your undertone is. So they have shades like this which I have displayed on the screen. You can see the undertone, the shades they have in that. Okay, so you can see everything. When you are buying foundation, I suggest you to go to a drugstore and then swatch your foundation on your face and not on your hand, because your face is lighter than your hand, and in some cases the hand is lighter than your face. So I'm going to be swatching three shades on my face. The first one is the Fit Me in 320. I will swatch it from my face down to my neck, and then I will take the Fit Me 332 Golden Caramel and swatch that as well. And then the last one is the Nykaa Skin Genius in Golden Honey. And then I'm just going to smudge it, and you can see this shade is two shades lighter than me. This one is one shade lighter than my skin tone, but the middle shade just disappeared into my skin. So this is the perfect shade for my skin tone. I will also suggest you to take someone along with you when you are going to buy the foundation, so that both of you can see if the foundation truly matches your skin tone, because it is you who are purchasing it, investing in it. Sometimes the people in the store do not know exactly your shade, and sometimes you may tend to buy the wrong foundation. I have also experienced it. So I definitely recommend you to watch the foundation on your face, take someone with you, and then match everything and then purchase the foundation. I will not recommend you to buy the foundation online at the first go. If you have already purchased a foundation and that matches your skin tone, then you can just go for another brand foundation online. For that I have a site for you, that is foundation.com. So all you need to do is just type foundation.com. Now I discovered this on YouTube. It was just suggested by the Popexo Beauty. And then after opening this site, you have to search the brand name of the foundation you're using, and you have to enter the range of foundation. I'm using the Fit Me foundation in Maybelline. And then you also have to add the shade. So I'm in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. Then they have said over there, for more accurate results, you have to add another foundation of another brand or another shade. So you can also add a concealer, but I do not have another foundation, so I'm going to add a concealer. So if you do not have any foundation or any concealer of another brand, just click on Find My Matches anyway. The Maybelline concealer in Age Rewind, and I'm in the shade Caramel. And then I will click on Find My Matches. So then it is going to display all the shades of different brands of foundation, different brands of concealer. Now I can't guarantee you that you will receive the correct shade from foundation.com, but it is makeup. You will have difficulties in finding your perfect shade. So you have to try it out. So I recommend only people who can invest in more foundations to try online. Otherwise you can just go to a drugstore and buy them. That is the safest thing you can do. Okay, so for dry skin people, the first foundation I will recommend you is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think this is a foundation which can be used by all skin type because it's not too matte, it's not full coverage. So it's a sheer coverage. Another foundation I will recommend you is this one, the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, because it is the sculpting and hydrating foundation. It hydrates your skin really well. It does not give you that matte finish. And another foundation I will recommend you is L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. This one is a very blendable foundation, weightless foundation, and also hydrating foundation. So the next category is oily and combination skin types. So for them I will recommend again the Maybelline Fit Me foundation because it is semi matte, not completely matte. I will also recommend you to go for the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. That is also a satin matte finish. It is waterproof and smudge proof, and it is very easy to blend in. And also you can go for the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution foundation. That is also a satin matte foundation, and it also has antioxidants, glycerin, also reduces the pore size and oil control. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure it will help you a lot in finding your perfect shade for foundation. So please do keep these things in mind when you are buying your next foundation. And I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right on the screen. So click on that and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I love you all.